In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover old Yahoo email account. So go into a preferred browser and then on the address bar type in mail.yahoo.com. Hit enter. And then this is the sign-in page. So this is where you have to try and remember the email, username, or mobile phone number that you used on this old account. And that's all you have to do. So try your best to remember. So my email is myinternethere@yahoo.com, and then click next. And now over here you don't have to remember the password, that's it. So Yahoo's gonna carry on from here. Just click on forgot password, and then it's gonna give you two options how you can get back to your account. So text message or WhatsApp. This is basically like SMS, so I'm gonna choose text message. And then you're gonna get a 6-digit code. I'm gonna type it in real quick. 132432. And then once you click next, and then this is just optional, just click not now. And that's it, you're back in your account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.